Friends, welcome to Great Indian Knowledge channel. To watch more videos related to general knowledge, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the regular notification. Today we will watch a new video on general knowledge questions for children. How many hours does a day have on earth? The answer is 24 hours. There are different planets and we have different day lengths for these different planets. For Mercury, it is 1408 hours. For Venus, it is 5832 hours. For Earth, it is 24 hours. For Mars, the length is 25 hours. For Jupiter, it is 10 hours. For Saturn, it's 11 hours. For Uranus, it is 17 hours. For Neptune, it's 16 hours. How many days are there in a leap year? Answer is 366 days. Leap years are year where an extra or intercalary day is added to the end of the shortest month, February. Intercalary day, February 29, is commonly referred to as leap day. Leap years have 366 days instead of the usual 365 days and occur almost every 4 years. So, leap years have 360 days instead of 365 days. Which of the following shape is an hexagon? The answer is first one. First one is a hexagon, second is a triangle, and third one is a oval shape. In geometry, a hexagon is a six-sided polygon. The total of the internal angles of any simple hexagon is 720 degrees. How many days are there added in February during a leap year? The answer is 1 day. Leap years are years when an extra or intercalary day is added to the end of the shortest month, February. The intercalary day, February 29, is commonly referred to as leap day. Who is the founder of Microsoft? The answer is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Microsoft was founded by childhood friends Bill Gates and Paul Allen on April 4, 1975. How many years are there in a millennium? Answer is 1000 years. How many years there in a passage of decade? Answer is 10 years. 1 biennium is equal to 2 years, 1 lustrum is equal to 5 years, 1 decade is equal to 10 years, 1 century is equal to 100 years, and 1 millennium is equal to 1000 years. What are the people who study history? Answer is historian. A person who studies history is called a historian. A person who studies prehistory and history through things left behind by ancient cultures is called archaeologist. A person who studies mankind and society is called an anthropologist. What do we call a person who makes meals in a restaurant? The answer is chef or cook. A cook is a profession for individuals who prepare food for consumption in the food industry. in settings such as restaurants. A cook is sometimes also referred to as a chef. If you have a toothache, do you go to a surgeon or a dentist? The answer is dentist. A dentist, also known as dental surgeon, is a surgeon who specializes in dentistry. Dentists diagnose and treat problems with patients' teeth, gums, and related part of the mouth. Which is the lightest gas? Answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen, H, is the lightest of all gases and the most abundant element in the universe. It has an atomic number of 1 and an atomic weight of 1.00794. The first person who climbed Mount Everest was? Answer is Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. On May 29, 1953, Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa of Nepal, became the first explorers to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Which is the largest gland in human body? Answer is liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body. It stores its waste bile in the gallbladder. Bile is released into duodenum and help in digestion of fats. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer is stapes, ear bone. The three smallest bone in the human body, malleus, incus and stapes, are located in the middle ear. At 3 into 5 mm in size, the stapes is the smallest bone in the human body. Which is the largest bone in the human body? The answer is femur or thigh bone. Femur or thigh bone is the largest bone in the body. The head of your femur fits into your hip socket and the bottom end connects to knee. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? The answer is barometer. A barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure air pressure in a certain environment. The barometer works by balancing the weight of mercury in the glass tube against the atmospheric pressure, much like a set of scales. Who was the first person to land on moon? The answer is Neil Eldon Armstrong. Neil Eldon Armstrong was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer and the first person to walk on the moon. The word ace is used in which sport? Answer is tennis. The definition of an ace is a serve in the tennis that is not hit by the other player. An example of an ace is a tennis serve that is not returned. How many days do we have in a week? Answer is 7. A week is a unit equal to 7 days. There are 5 weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, while Saturday and Sunday are part of the weekend. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? The answer is Mount Everest. Mount Everest, located in Nepal and Tibet, is usually said to be the highest mountain on earth. reaching 29,029 feet at its summit. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Answer is cheetah. The fastest land animal is the cheetah, which has recorded speed between 109.4 km per hour to 120.7 km per hour. Who is the inventor of the telephone? Answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell is best known for his invention of the telephone, for which he received his first patent in 1876. Who is the inventor of the bulb? Answer is Thomas Edison. US inventor Thomas Edison is credited with creating a solution in 1879. Which planet is known as the red planet? The answer is Mars. Mars is often called the red planet because it appears in the sky as an orange-red star. How many bones do an adult have? The answer is 206. Our skeletal system is made up of many bones. These bones give your body structure, let you move in many ways, protect your internal organs. The adult human body has 206 bones. Friends, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, press a like button and don't forget to share this video among your friends, students and other children. Thanks for watching.